everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. This is the last video for the February 2020 scrapbook kit. So, I made page kits this month using the wonderful inspiration that we got from Daisy, spelling out the word Valentine. I used it in all three of the layouts that I made. And I had used the three of the sketches that she had provided. I think she had 4 sketches plus a card sketch, and I didn't make any cards this month. So anyway, I want to show you what, kind of do a recap of what I had done. So I created this one, and I wanted to make sure that I used everything that was here in the Valentine with the wood veneer, the alpha. I used the thickers. This is what I consider thickers. Here's the wood veneer. I used this vellum as part of my embellishment. I used the sticker as part of the ephemera. This was the envelope that I had created. There's nothing written on this card, only this little part right here. And these are the twins from 2019. And this was the flat alpha that I had used. I had rounded the corners, as you can see, and then I inked around the edges here and around the folders. This is the second week that I had created. It was a little bit interesting because it doesn't have that much variety of paper, but it also of the twins. It has everything. Here's the flat alpha, the thickers. I inked around the edges of what did I do? Oh, around here, around this, which is a neutral paper. Of course, I have wood veneer. I have videos for all of the pages if you'd like to go back and see. And this is the third one where it talks about where whenever I got attacked by that rooster, and I'm covering up the wound. But I did want to say, I did find out what the name of the rooster was. I think I told you wrong. Banty is like a little fighter, aggressive rooster, which is I would say pretty true. I mean, he's not a fighter, but it's a bantam chicken or a rooster because they're small. So I just wanted to let you know that I did look it up. I am not a chicken expert by any means. You think I would, as many times as I've been exposed to chickens. I had one family that they actually had chickens in the house. I don't recommend that. Okay, anyway, this, you pull this out and it's on 2 sides where my journaling is. I really like the way that this turned out. On the sketch, these were hearts, but I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do hearts because it's just not a very lovely memory to keep. So let me show you what I have left over. So I had 2 sheets of the Cocoa Vanilla that I had used in January, but I was using it for the words. So I just, basically, I have trimmed everything. I think I put 1 flower in my flower bin, and then these are going to go where I keep my hearts. Yeah, I don't have a lot left, and there was no sense of me keeping those long sheets of sticker paper when there was very little on it. So I'm very happy that I was able to use as much as I did. I'm going to put this with my other, I have a place where I keep all of the single word phrases like this. And then as for the alpha, I have this. I was able to use so much of this. I was so happy. I was able to use this for all 3 of the layouts. Here's the LY from Seriously, because I had to trim it off. I really like that. I had used these vellum. This is a die cut, and I used several of those. For the paper that I had created, or that I had pulled, this was the only paper that I pulled that wasn't in the original stash. But I have this left over, and I have 1 card which I thought I might. I showed you how I had you made one as a sample that was too small for this card. So I have this piece left over here. I think I'll probably make a tag out of that. And then I have this wood grain, which I will keep. I have, I think I have it under my brown in my iris containers. And then I have these two neutrals, which I definitely will keep. Everything else was used up. Oh, here, let me show you the wood veneer. I don't know how many pieces were in there, but I was able to use this on all the layouts, which was nice. And I can put this away, or probably just put it in the, oh, what am I going to do? I can put it back in the Paige Evans iris container that I have. I pulled out the flowers, and of course I know you saw how I had gone through this. Yeah, I went through a lot, and I did pull quite a few, but you know, it's not going to make a dent. That's okay. All right, there is that. And then my heart. Ugh. So I have in here, I was able to use some hearts, even though, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. You know, I might as well just put that in because that has hearts on it. I will do that. And you know what I might do is just go ahead and break this down and put the flowers in with the flowers and the stars with the stars. Yeah, and that way this will kind of get dispersed. I like that idea, because you know, seeing it in a different way may give me another opportunity to use it. I think that's it. I was able to use everything. Oh, I did throw away both of the Nuvo drops, and it was a happy farewell. I don't want to see those again. I'm done with those. I am done. I am so done. Okay, I think that is it. Thanks guys for joining me this month. Next month, I don't know who our hostess is going to be, but I know it's going to be fun. I think it's Shannon, and I think she's got some great ideas, and I will be showing you my kit on the first Monday in March. We'll have 2 new guests. We still have Becky and Kristen to the end of the month. And thanks girls for joining us this month. I love your pages. They really turned out really super cute. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.